Hi there, let me give you a quick glimpse into my home turf, volleyball, basketball, and even dance template. It's super easy to modify. Just take an extracted subject, drag and drop them into the template, and position them where you think they look best. Shut off the volleyball court lines and turn on the basketball court lines. Then change the text and colors to fit your team. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll teach you how to edit this. And the fonts are auto-loading fonts that are included with your Adobe subscription. Then it's also super easy to insert your own team logo. So I'm going to shut off a sample logo, grab a new one, import it, and slide it into place. This glow behind the logo there can be changed colors also. So for example, let's do a yellow and add a pop of color. Or I could change the whole wood floor background to, for example, a black and white. Or I can make it more colorful with something like a blue. And do something like that, and update the Wildcats to a more yellow color. There's all kinds of awesome ways you can customize this. Just a reminder that all our templates include built-in cropping guides that allow you to print any standard proportion you want from this one design. You don't have to design multiple times. If you want to see more than that, go to our website under Learning Tools and How-To Videos. There's how to design once and print multiple standard sizes.